In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to address a common issue some users encounter with Apple Wallet availability on their iOS devices. The solution involves a few simple steps, and I'll guide you through each one to ensure you're all set up correctly. To begin with, it's essential to verify that your device is running iOS 14 or a later version. This update is crucial because it includes the latest features and improvements required for Apple Wallet to function properly. To check your current iOS version, head over to your device's settings. Once you're there, you should look for the option that says General. Tap on that and then find Software Update. This section will tell you if your software is up to date or if there's a newer version available for download. Making sure you're on iOS 14 or above will not only help with the wallet feature, but also improve overall performance and security on your device. After confirming your software version is up to date, navigate back to the General section in your settings. Here, we'll need to focus on setting the correct language and region for your device. Tap on Language and Region. It's significant to adjust these settings as Apple Wallet's availability can vary depending on your region. Select the appropriate region from the list provided. If you find that Apple Wallet is not showing up as an option, it might be because it's not available in your currently selected region, thus making this step crucial. While adjusting these settings, don't overlook the importance of a stable internet connection, specifically a Wi-Fi connection. Ensuring your device is connected to Wi-Fi is a necessary step, as errors can sometimes be as simple as a disrupted internet connection. This connectivity allows your changes to update correctly and also plays a role in syncing your device settings and features seamlessly. Once you've completed these checks and adjustments, you should find that any issues with Apple Wallet not appearing or not functioning as expected are resolved. Taking the time to verify your software version, adjust your language and region settings, and confirm that you're on Wi-Fi can make all the difference in ensuring your Apple Wallet is working correctly. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to eliminate any hiccups and enjoy the convenience that Apple Wallet has to offer. With this setup, managing your cards, tickets, and more becomes not only possible, but also straightforward and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you get your Apple Wallet up and running smoothly. If you found this video useful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.